First, students should prepare 6 Erlenmeyer flasks with lids. And label each flask A, B, C, D, E, and F. Students should prepare the solutions for each flask. For example, in this case, we will prepare flask C. Refer to the lab directions, page 7, page 50 of the lab manual, for the required solutions and volumes for each flask. For example, for flask C, we need 0.02 molar iodine, pour approximately 25 ml of the 0.02 molar iodine solution into the beaker. Then, prepare 100 milliliters of distilled water in a beaker. Pour the solutions to be used into the measuring cylinder. Next, measure 25 milliliters of the 0.02 molar iodine solution into the cylinder. Finally, tightly close the lids. We will obtain solution in bottle C and prepare the solutions in the other bottles. Referring to the laboratory manual. The next bottle will use a concentration of 0.04 molar. And the next bottle will use a concentration of 0.08 molar, and so on. We will prepare all 6 bottles once all 6 bottles are prepared. Place them on the shaker provided in the laboratory. Then, turn on the shaker and set the rotation speed to 350 RPM. And the shaking time to 15 minutes. Then, press the start button. The shaker will begin shaking. And then, set the timer for 35 minutes. After shaking on the shaker and letting it stand, have the students prepare the solutions for the next part of the experiment. Separate. The chloroform layer from the water layer using a separating funnel. Then, pipette the iodine solution from the chloroform layer. Squeezing to remove air, pressing to draw, and pressing to release. Use a pipette to draw the solution up to the volume mark, and then press to adjust the volume. Dispose of the iodine solution in the bottle containing Ki. Pipette the iodine solution from the aqueous layer. Titrate the iodine concentration in the chloroform layer with sodium thiosulfate solution. A light pink color will be obtained. Then add starch solution and continue titrating until clear. Titrate the iodine concentration in the aqueous layer with sodium thiosulfate solution. A light yellow color will be obtained. Then add starch solution and continue titrating until clear. After the experiment is complete, dispose of the chloroform layer in the waste bottle provided in the laboratory. Important: do not flush the waste bottle down the sink. All parts of the chloroform layer should be disposed of in the waste bottle.